Now let's say that I have a PowerPoint file that I need to translate, and I want to know how to do it with Trados 2007. I will still need Workbench, and it is open up here as it was before, but now I will need a second component of Trados 2007 in order to process my PowerPoint files, and that's called TagEditor. This is TagEditor, and it works together with Workbench. So Workbench needs to be open whenever you are using TagEditor. From within TagEditor, I will open the file, and this is my PowerPoint file that I want to translate. I click open, and this is what TagEditor shows. This is where I do the translation, and I go here. For example, notice how there are all these tags, and there are different ways of displaying the tags. That's the minimized view, I guess. This is a little bit more expanded, and that's the full view that tells you what each tag means. Many times PowerPoint files will have, and other types of files as well, will have a lot of tags in between, and you need to know how to use your tags, what to do with them. But for this example, we're just going to go here, and we're going to start translating. So for this, I need to hit Alt Home, and that opens that. Now, since I had translated this same text previously in Workbench plus Word, the translation memory is giving it to me here, but the tags are stripped, and I need to add the tags. It's easier for me to just do this, which is copy the source to target, and then I'm going to translate the text in here, and click Alt plus the add sign to go to the next segment. Go to the next segment. This is new. Sorry about that. You have to be very careful with spaces around tags, otherwise you end up with extra spaces on your final target file. And this is how you process a PowerPoint file in TagEditor. Again, you need to have Workbench open up here and TagEditor open down here. Let's stop the translation there and see what happens next, because this is an intermediary file. It's not my final PowerPoint file. So what I need to do now is save the file. And I can save, I have the option of saving the bilingual file, and look at what happens if I do that. If I click on that, the file will be saved with a TTX extension. A TTX file is a TagEditor file. It's not the final PowerPoint file. But let's just save that, just to have it in our list of files. And I'm going to now save the target file, which is the final PowerPoint file. And I'm going to just add this here. And that's going to be my target file. So when I go to my list of files here, I now have the sample file, but this is the TTX extension. This file actually has a TTX extension. It's a Trados tag document. And I also have my sample file that I translated in TagEditor down here. Let's see what happens when I click on that. And that's my PowerPoint file with the translation that I entered. I didn't translate this line, so that's still in English. Whatever, anything you don't touch remains in English. And that's how you handle PowerPoint files in TagEditor or Trados 2007. Next, we will explain how to handle PowerPoint files in Studio.